Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Spotify account to GuitarTuna and learn to play the songs you're listening to. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going into the GuitarTuna app. This is what it will take you to immediately as you open it up. What you want to go ahead and do is go to songs on the left hand side on the bottom of your page. Now, what nice feature this offers is the ability to, if you're listening to a song on Spotify, you want to learn how to play that song, you can go ahead, tap over here. You will be you'll be redirected to Spotify accounts. You're going to now go ahead and log into Spotify. And once you've logged into Spotify, you'll have access to the songs that you're playing. Once you have connected to Spotify account, you can go and just for example, I'm going to open up a song, and let's just say, for example, this is the song that was playing on Spotify. You can see that there are 5 different exercises to allow you to learn how to play the song. You can also go and click on practice song. You can also see that it'll say input device Spotify, and your output device will be your it will be the phone that you're using right now. And then you can go ahead and learn how to play this song. You can also go and click on the Learn tab, and it'll show you a video of somebody else playing the song. And this will allow you to see maybe where to put your fingers, when to switch up chords, and how to move about while you are learning to play the song.